Welcome back friends, welcome to another episode of KW Tech official YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to show you guys how you can deactivate Instagram account temporarily. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is you have to open your Instagram account and now click on the profile icon, and here you see my profile is open in front of us. So now we need to click on these three parallel lines. Just click on this, and after that you have to click on settings. Here you need to click on help and then click on help center, and here in the search bar you need to write disable Instagram account, and after that you have to click on the first link, and here you see we have a lot of options here. And first of all, what we need to do is we have to click on this option written as login to instagram.com. Just click on it, and here you see my Instagram is open in front of me again, but this is not the app version, it is the without app version. Now you just need to click on the profile icon, and after that click on the edit profile option, and here you see you need to just scroll down, and in the top right bottom you will see an option written as temporarily disable my account. You need to click on that option, and after that it will ask you two questions here. What you need to do, you first of all you need to give the reason why you want to disable your account temporarily. So just select any one of them, or just select something else, or what do you want, just select it. And after that you need to provide the password of this account, and after that you have to click on this temporary disable account button, and your account will be disabled. When you press the button below, your photos, comments and likes will be hidden until you reactivate your account by logging back in. So after that, whenever you want to activate your account, just log back into your account and it is again live. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you find it helpful, do subscribe our channel KW Tech Official. Inshallah we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.